Hello everybody, time for your brainstorm here. Today we're going to be learning how to make a electronic Arduino skull. These are the items we are going to need, and let's get ready to rumble. Let's cue the default music. For the skull, it works a little bit different than what you would think. You would imagine that you would have to take, like if someone is under a certain distance, then we could just turn it on, right? We just turn on the animation or the animatronics. However, mine works on change. So whenever I run my for loop, I run a function called change. And my change function, basically what it does, it takes the average 15 readings, and then it takes another average of 15 readings and detects if there is a change.